This is Ken from JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest price anywhere online. If you'd like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazzTime.com. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Day-Date II reference 218235 in rose gold with pink concentric dial and black Roman numerals and president bracelet. I'm going to talk to you guys about the bezel, the case, the dial, the movement, and the bracelet. And then I'm going to try it on. So let's dive right in. What do you notice about this bezel or this dial? This is a pink concentric dial. So let's go through that. Pink, well, pink, it kind of makes sense. This whole watch is in rose gold, also known as pink gold or ever rose. And they don't make champagne, like the equivalent of a yellow gold version of this would be a champagne dial with a yellow gold bracelet and yellow gold everything else. But since this is an ever rose or pink gold or rose gold, then it's going to use a pink dial. So hence pink. Now Rolex really outdid themselves on this one in that they made the first part of it have this very flat appearance, and then the outside where the hour markers are, do you notice that it has like a concentric circle? It looks like these lines. It almost gives the watch like this 3D look. I really like it. Now normally this is also like something kind of funky that they did. They don't usually do this, and I haven't seen them continue this, which is these hour markers. Do you notice something? They're actually black. Right? No, that's not your video playing tricks on you. It's actually black. Usually they fashion it in 18 karat gold or in luminescent or something like that. But in this case, they put it in black. I think it's really cool. It's interesting. It's different. It's not something you see all the time. In fact, I really don't ever see it. I think it's pretty cool. So anyhow, this is the pink concentric dial, right? And I should say this is the older version that's already been discontinued. Now this one's 41 millimeters. That means my thumb to my index finger is 41 millimeters. Now they don't make 41 millimeter day-date, or also known as presidents, anymore. They only make 40 millimeter president watches. So this was actually larger. I wish I had another one next to me, but I don't. So I just got to take my word for it. This is 41 millimeter, and it's larger, slightly larger. Okay. Now let's talk about this case here. This is using a monoblock middle case with screw down case back and winding crown, and it's made of 18 karat ever rose gold. Okay, what does that mean? Basically, this whole thing it's like a brick of gold, and inside of it has a movement. The caliber is 3156. Now it also has a precision of, I think, something like plus minus 7 seconds a day with a 2-day or 48-hour power reserve, which is and it has a paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring, high performance paraflex shock absorber, blah blah blah. All that means is basically this is a really good movement, and it also is able to tell you both the day and the date, which is different from Datejust that just tell you the date. This also tells you the day, hence also the name Day-Date. Right, day and date, both of these two right here. Colloquially, they're known as the president. So why? Well, you can look that up yourself. Okay, anyhow, let's move on to the bezel. The bezel is made in 18 karat ever rose. It's fluted, which means just it has these like jagged edges on it. It really makes it shine and pop, and I really prefer it over the dome bezel, which makes I think it looks much classier and cool. Okay, now let's go ahead and talk about the bracelet. Now the bracelet is a president bracelet, of course, because this is the president, right? So they actually call it the president bracelet. It's semicircular and it's 3 links. Semicircular, what does that mean? Well, it's semi as in half of a circle, right? Because you can see like it looks like a moon, like this, right? And it's 3 links across. And if you actually look carefully, you'll notice that the top part of it is brushed and the center of it is polished. Now it has a concealed folding crown clasp. Okay, it's kind of a mouthful, but basically means that this clasp is concealed. You can't see it when you close it. All right. So I guess I've gone through most of that with you, and I'm going to try it on. And for those of you guys who are thinking whether you should buy the 41s or the 40, well, here's news for you. The 41s are no longer made, so you can't actually even buy it. But we just happen to have this watch, and hopefully at the time you're watching this video, the watch is still for sale and you can buy it. If you want to buy it, simply click on the link in the description below. Now, if you want my 2 cents about which one's better, that's a tough one. I think it kind of depends on the dial. That's what I would say. If you like the dial of the ones that are discontinued, then I would go for it. They're really not that much different. I mean, 1 millimeter, are you really going to be able to tell? I would say that the dial is the most important. If you like the newer, the older discontinued dial like this one, then you have to buy the older Day-Date 2s. But if you don't mind the newer style, or in fact you even like the newer style, hey, I say buy the newer one. So that's my 2 cents. And I hope you guys like this video. If you like, subscribe below. Thanks.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.